Welcome back to Data Solution. I hope you're doing very well. In this lecture, I will show you demo on Invoke Pipeline activity in Microsoft Fabric Data Factory. Invoke Pipeline in Azure Data Factory is a powerful feature used to trigger the execution of another pipeline from within a parent pipeline. You can simply say this allow one pipeline to invoke another pipeline. This activity available in orchestrate section. So before going to start demo on this activity, I request you to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's switch to Microsoft Fabric and get started demo on this activity. Here I am in the home page of Microsoft Fabric. Let's go to here workspace and let's use Data Factory workspace, and you can see here already pipeline created which we discussed already in previous video. So let us invoke one of the pipeline using invoke pipeline activity. So let's create new pipeline. Click on this new item and click on data pipeline to create new pipeline. Let's give appropriate name PL invoke demo invoke activity demo. Click on this create button. Now let's go to here activity tab and go to here three dot, and you can see here in orchestrate section invoke pipeline. So let's click on this, and you can see in canvas section this activity. In general tab I will leave it by default because it's only for naming, and go to here setting, and you can invoke pipeline from Fabric, Azure Data Factory or Synapse Analytics. So let's for demonstration let's concentrate on Fabric environment only and go to here connection. Let's connect this Fabric. You can click on more, connect another pipeline, connect to Fabric. So let's wait. Click on this Fabric data pipeline and click on this new connection, and you can give connection name new, connection name Fabric pipeline. You can give appropriate name. So let's use here one and sign in, and you can sign in using your mail address, and let's use here connect to your Fabric environment. And in this Fabric, in this connection, let's use workspace. Here I am using here Data Factory workspace and pipeline you wish to invoke. So let's invoke one of the pipeline. Let's use this PV if activity demo, or you can use any pipeline. So let's and click on wait until this pipeline is completion. Okay, you can invoke here multiple pipeline. If you want to add another pipeline, you can go to here setting and click on this invoke pipeline and link this to other, and go to here setting and go to here setting and use here appropriate connection and invoke another. Let's use in this time lookup activity. So on completion of this pipeline, this pipeline is executed. Until this pipeline is not executed, you can check on this wait on completion. Then if it is executed, then this pipeline is executed. Okay, so for now let's go to a setting and deactivate one of the pipeline and run this pipeline only. Okay, so go to here home page and save this and execute on click on this to execute this pipeline. So this pipeline is deactivated, only this pipeline is run this time. So using this invoke activity, you can execute multiple pipeline on sequence. If let us suppose this pipeline is depend on this pipeline, so you can use here invoke pipeline activity, run first this pipeline, then after this pipeline is completion, then this pipeline is executed. Okay, this is the main application of invoke pipeline activity. So let us see the output. This activity is still in progress, so let's wait. Here I want to show you output for this pipeline. Here pipeline is succeeded. You can see here invoke pipeline means this invoke pipeline is succeeded. After this this pipeline, this activity is inactive because we already deactivated from here, deactivated, and you can click on this output to see invoke pipeline. So if you click on this, you can see it will open new tab. So you can see here the invoke pl demo if activity. So this pipeline is executed. Okay, you can see here get metadata, if condition apply, if condition is satisfied or fail, then we already discussed this pipeline in previous video. Okay, so let's get back to here, invoke pipeline, and you can, so using invoke pipeline you can add multiple pipeline in sequence. So this is main application. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you in next video. Thank you.